Hi there. Some quick update on the UI, user experience product. After you log in, you navigate to the data to browse your data set. You can see there's a small icon to give you a quick shot to enter a visualizer. So after we enter visualizers, we know it initiated with some code field selection. Here we're using state, some value indicated the total GDP for each state. Change to different color. You can do color selection, easy way, and name the legend. Say total GDP per for each state. And also you have ways to change the baseline from 0 to the mean value. You can see those states below the average, some states above the average. And if you want to see how much, here is the delta, like 184. If you translate them to the percentage, it automatically show you this is 69% more than average. Like this guy is 87% below average. And you can also display the values on each bar. This means we have a lot more like good settings for user. And if you want to show the map, display with your map, and we can see the map setting has a lot of more interesting things. For example, like color scale. Not only you can change different color setting, you can also choose like different scales, number of scales. Like here, you only use like 3 buckets to categorize all your data. Oh, you need a lot more. There is one way to very quickly to flip it. It's basically from dark to like one end to another end. You can flip back. You can also display the value on each. And we can drag one annotation, similar like we did before. You can say grid map showing state level GDP. A little bit larger. Move it around a little bit. Change the color to dark purple. And if you want to do, let's say, filtering, just decide how many values you want to display. We have options for there. And now you can see we have colorful state level GDP map. Save it as a story. Preview it and share it. Make it public. Copy the link and go to this place. Looks so cool, huh? Another feature I want to show is basically we can do multiple like group values. For example, we take this as an example, video games. We want based on a year, we want to see like some sales over North America, Europe, Japan, and the rest of the world. So here you can see we want to focus on the year after, let's say, greater than, let's say 2000. And I think a column chart is a little bit better. And here you can see we have a lot of good color and name rename, kind of like EURLPE sales. I like green, keep it green. North America sales, I want to give it blue. For Japan, I want to do Japan sales. This one, let's do red. And the rest of the world, make it a little bit shorter. And this guy, I want to make it orange. Wonderful color set, right? And you can switch to stack or group, and you can do the display value. I think it's too small to fit in the value. Let's just adjust number of this a little bit. It's still hard to see. All right, let's do the stack. We have a precision program. We should shorten, like make the numbers shorter, much shorter. Anyways, we're gonna fix that later. So this is a good bar chart. We call it a colorful bars. And I want to save this visual. Again, preview it. Now I want to put up a story. Say just like, hey, columns, new UI updates. First I want to show, I need a search function actually. Let me see which one is what I just made. This is the one. Okay, and map preview. And I want to add one more. I want a bar chart, something like, let's say this one. Feels like it's probably this guy. Game sales, comparison. And lastly, I want to thank you with it. HTTP columns.ai. to experience it. All right. Probably this is good. I like center. Let's keep it in this way. Save this story. Now we have this story. I want to share this story with the world. Same thing. Copy link, share to Twitter. I can do just tweet it. I want to go nice.